Okay, today we have configured the back end. Now let's start with the front end. We'll be going into the back end again, but right now, what we have actually configured, that was the enterprise structure, and authorization comes with your login. So menu path, okay. Menu path is material management, material master, materials. Material management, material master. MM01. Okay, now it's a big requiring knowledge of various modules. However, following this user manual, one will be able to create a material master and go ahead, double click, okay, and enter material, test EN1. Chemical engineering, material type will be ROH. ROH raw. Select material type as raw material. Material type, raw material with sales. I don't think we have that material type. Okay. Automation levels, it's VD01. Storage location. VD01, not semi-finished. It will be raw. VD01, raw. Okay, sales org. EY01, sales org. We didn't create any sales org. Okay. We'll create that. Channel. Since we don't have sales org, but let's see if we have something. EY01. No, we will actually try to create sales org. I think that was not integrated, but anyways, so we will not be able to integrate. Okay, material ledger must be set productive for valuation area. What we'll do is we'll go to Explorer. Let's define sales org also. Okay, we don't have one. Maybe it was USD, I guess. Shares or plant 01. Storage location 3000. Let's not hard code it. Well, okay.
ये इस तरह की कस्टमाइजेशन रिक्वेस्ट जनरेट कर रहा था।
हाँ ठीक है, you can make it new from here.
मुझे था कि कहीं एग्जिस्टिंग रिकॉर्ड में ना कुछ
No,
चेंज करने लग गए थे।
it won't object. Not as you correct. Distribution channel. Direct sales I9. Okay. What do we have in E? E0, E1, ES, E0, E1. Let's go with E1. One. Panel. Okay. Rows are done. Now we assign it. One. Panel. Sales org. EB01, E1. Sales area, sales office, okay, sales or distribution and plant. Now we'll align this. ED01, distribution channel is E1, plant is ED01. Okay, now next part is material ledger activation. And to be honest, I've actually forgot that part. Okay, that was in ledger. Yeah, ledger. It must be in parallel valuation, but anyways, let's see where it goes. Uh, Parallel valuation. Define ledger for CO version. We have not defined CO also. CO is controlling. In controlling area. Okay, maintain controlling area. Inventories. Controlling areas of company code ED01. Okay, so it's already assigned. We need this. We just need to activate the material ledger. Okay, financial accounting, ledger. Oh, okay, 0. 8 types, mapping, default, count. Oh, four things. 01. Okay. Counting principles, double click. Okay. Let's find out. I guess they have moved it. But not find it. Cooling area. And sure. Okay. Settings. Actual data. No. Supposed to be here. Global settings. Let me try this. OMX2. Oh, okay. OMX2, 3, and OMX2, 1. Yes. Two. Oh, okay. ED01 is your plant, material level 5. Oh, no. Okay. Company code, please, ED01. Okay. OMX. Okay. What is this true transaction based and multi-level based? Yeah, single or multi-level transaction based. Now, valuation will actually happen for material per transaction or single or multi-level. If I'm not sure, single or multi-level basically is since material production it goes through multiple levels, that's multi-level. But let's revisit and recall that knowledge. In transaction-based price determination, option 2 in material master with price control V, the material is valued at moving average. With price control S, the material is valued at standard. The moving average is calculated for information. In single or multi-level price is option 3, the valuation that is standard price remains unchanged. It remains unchanged, and a periodic unit price. Periodic means monthly unit price is calculated for material valuation
For the crew.
post period. The option is only possible with material price control S, and it is recommended if in addition to multiple currency valuation, you use material price determination, which is single level. Single multi-level material price data, a periodic, which is monthly unit price is updated for information purposes, but can only be used material valuation in the closed period. So once the period is closed, only then the periodic price is updated. The indicator is relevant if the material ledger is active when you activate material for valuation using customized and specified what kind of material price is posed when a material is visible in the valuation area. Is ignored at production startup. Okay, if you want to change the indicator, and you can change. Okay, so it is basically this is offline and this is transaction, which is real time. Okay, so that is the difference, and we save it. And data must be converted. Okay. Okay, now this is done, and CKM start. Launch PD01. First run background processing, and background processing, execute. Immediately confirm output device LPs. And now these are some by default checks that I'm actually running right now for activating the ledger, the material ledger. If you've got some idea, it's basically for material valuation with multiple currencies. That's it. VAUSNET is ready for that. We will go to SM37, if I'm not wrong. YouTube. Okay, production startup, which is 15.8. Spool. Just, okay. Okay. If we just go down, can be reconciled. Plant is now productive and no data found in evolution. So data should be 0. ED 01 and MM01. Now we can finally evaluation levels. ED 01, 3000, ED 01, ED1. Use invalid sales area. Oh. Setup area. 01, 1. We don't have a division. Okay. one. Our division can be your products basically, but I'm just keeping it simple. Sign, sign division, selection. 01 1. Select 1 1. Okay. So, okay. Now we have this. Okay, test one. Already entered this base unit of measure and basic data. Okay, basic data, base unit of measure, each division, each one. Okay, let's see here. Org P1, A, division P1. Cash discount is available. Tax category, or tax, sales or okay, make to order, make to order. This is the item category group. This is very important for financial integration. Okay, each AG1 availability. Now, availability is for production availability, whether we can produce it, so it will
Availability issue. Yeah.
check. We'll just give it no check to keep it simple. And MRP 1. MRP type will be to order. No planning, we'll keep it no planning for now. Yep. Okay, MRP group, other things, MRP 2, batch and free material. Okay, MRP 3. Individual collective production, which is we'll make it individually or collective. And collective requirement, we'll keep it simple. Scheduling, production unit, unit of issue each, on data storage. Okay, let me clear it. Okay, storage, unit of issue, batch management, on data storage, gross weight,